In this video, we'll talk about the complete value investing roadmap so you'll know exactly your next steps and what you'll need to do to become a successful value investor. As you've already learned, by implementing the value investing strategy, you'll need to follow these 3 simple, easy steps. First, we'll look for companies with a strong financial and operating performance. What we want to do as a value investor is to make sure that the company we're investing in has enough capacity for maintaining its operations profitably, as well as having an ability or strong economic moat to compete with its rivals in the same industry. You can evaluate if a business is financially strong or not by looking at some financial ratios and performing a financial statement analysis. You'll need to look into your company's balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement to find out what's behind the numbers. And when you found a solid company, the next step is important. You'll need to make sure that it's undervalued. You can easily determine if a stock is undervalued or overvalued by performing a stock valuation based on some method like the discounted free cash flow model. After estimating a company's intrinsic value, you simply compare its intrinsic value with the current market price. If the intrinsic value is greater than the current market price, the stock is considered undervalued. And on the other hand, when the intrinsic value is lower than the market price, the stock is overvalued. It's simple as that. And always make sure you'll apply a margin of safety to make sure that you'll actually buy an undervalued stock. However, knowing a company's intrinsic value is not enough. That's because you'll need to find the best opportunity to buy it. A great company can easily end up being your worst investment when you buy it at the wrong time. And that's why technical analysis is essential in your value investing system. By utilizing technical analysis, you'll know exactly when to buy your stock to maximize your profit while reducing your risk. And the final step is sell your stock when it becomes overvalued. Again, you can determine the best time to sell for maximum profit by using both stock valuation methods and technical analysis. So that's the 3 simple steps you'll need to follow. Now, let's talk about the roadmap for mastering the value investing technique. I've been a value investor for 7 years now, and here's what I've learned to become a master. To become a profitable value investor, first and foremost, you'll need to learn all the best value investing strategies to find solid and financially strong companies to invest in. That is to say, you'll need a system. You'll need a set of investment criteria for evaluating and picking undervalued stocks. By having a system, you can make sure that all the companies you choose are rock-solid companies, and you can easily automate your stock analysis and valuation process. You can either build your own system or simply follow our copy and paste value investing system. After knowing all the strategies that actually work, you'll need to enhance your expertise so you can understand better all the businesses that you're investing in. You'll need to learn more about financial ratios and how to read and analyze a company's financial statements. If you were an accounting or finance student when you were in college, you might have gotten familiar with these topics. But if you're not a finance person, learning these topics may be a little bit harder for you. But they are essential if you want to be successful as a value investor. So learn it well. Next, you'll also need to learn more about stock valuation. At least you should master how to use the discounted free cash flow model, so you can project future cash flows of a company and estimate its intrinsic value. And when you're done with the intrinsic value, things will become much easier. Your next step is to use technical analysis to determine the best time to buy and sell your stocks. By using technical analysis, you simply look at a stock's chart and determine current market trends and predict the future movements of your stock. You'll need to look at some technical indicators and oscillators like the moving averages, the RSI, the Bollinger Bands, volume, the MACD, etc. And you can also look at chart patterns and candlestick patterns so you can predict if your stock's price will go up or down in the future. And the final thing, you'll need to develop a strong winning mindset and learn about trading psychology. You'll also need to know what affects the price of your stock, how to trade at minimal risks, how to reduce risks on your investments by placing a stop loss, etc. So, that's everything it takes to become a profitable value investor. You know, value investing is a big subject, and it does require some kind of expertise, a lot of work, and patience. But you know, value investing will eventually pay off, I promise you that. Imagine you can grow your investments by at least 15 to 25% a year by just following a simple system that you can create on your own. That's much easier than putting your money somewhere else, like in the bank or your 401k and IRA that generally pay you nothing in return, or a small fraction of the return you could have made. So, welcome to the value investing world. I believe you can do whatever it takes to become a better investor, and you can change your financial future. Finally, you've completed this course. We hope this course will help you cut down your education time, and we hope that it helps you become successful in your investment career. Thank you so much for taking this course. If you found this course helpful, please kindly bring it to your friends and family so they can learn the strategy to make a better investment decision. After taking this course, if you have any concerns or questions, feel free to post a question on the discussion forum or just leave us a message. We're always committed to helping you. If you have any feedback, please kindly take a minute to leave us a message. We do highly appreciate your feedback, and it can help us a lot in improving our future courses. Again, thank you so much for enrolling in our course. Thank you.